Prime Minister the Right Honourable Perry Christie today announced the date for a referendum which will poll support for a series of constitutional changes.
The main focus is equality for Bahamian women. Cyan Thompson was there as the Prime Minister detailed the moral questions the electorate will be asked to finally put to rest.
Bahamian women and men can expect to see changes to the Constitution as it relates to parents passing on citizenship to their children. Prime Minister Christie gave the timeline to get this done.
It is now anticipated, firstly, that the amending bills will be introduced in the House of Assembly before the end of the year. Secondly, that the passage of the bills through both the House of Assembly and the Senate will be completed by the end of February 2014. And thirdly, that a referendum on the matter will be held throughout the nation not later than the end of June 2014. Following an ample period for public education and discussion, which will be led by the Constitutional Commission.
Gender equality, especially for women, has been a pressing issue for some time now. The Prime Minister explained those concerns.
A Bahamian woman who is married to a non-Bahamian should have the same constitutional right that a Bahamian man has to pass her Bahamian citizenship to her child at birth, irrespective of whether the child is born abroad or in the Bahamas. Honourable members are aware that at present there is no such constitutional right in relation to the foreign-born child of a married Bahamian mother where the father of that child is a non-Bahamian. 3. A Bahamian woman should have the same constitutional right that a Bahamian man has to obtain citizenship for her foreign spouse, but subject to amendments to the Bahamas Nationality Act to introduce further safeguards against citizenship claims that might be based on marriages of convenience. A Bahamian man who fathers a child with a foreign woman outside of marriage should have the same constitutional right that an unwed Bahamian woman has to pass citizenship to that child, subject to his proving paternity. Right now, Mr. Speaker, such a child would have to take the citizenship of its foreign mother, leaving the Bahamian father unable to pass Bahamian citizenship to his child.
Less than 40 of the 73 recommendations will need formal legal adjustments. The Prime Minister also advised that these constitutional changes will happen over a period of years.
To achieve full equality between men and women with respect to the acquisition and transmission of Bahamian nationality. And secondly, the expansion of the definition of discrimination in Article 26 of the Constitution to include discrimination based on sex as a prohibited ground so that women would be able to enjoy the same level of protection from discrimination that men already enjoy.
The government is not expected to include any additional items in this round of recommendations from the Constitutional Commission. For the ZNS Network News, I'm Cyan Thompson.